Hello, Urban Explorers. I thought I'd give you a little update on the Kroger project over at the Kroger, the Beltline Kroger, I think, or it used to be anyway. And there's a new gateway here. There's a new, brand new, it's like it was just poured recently, gateway or entranceway that allows people for the Ford factory lofts to get on the Beltline. This is brand new. There's you can see a staircase down at the end there, and then this is the ADA ramp. But that's the old Ford factory. It's been there since the 1920s. It's now loft, one of the first loft conversions here in the city. That building at one time, there was a train track, a spur line that actually went through the building, so the train cars went through the building. They brought the parts from Detroit and up in the Midwest to assemble back in the day, Model Ts, Model As, V8 engines, and other things. But let me show you what's going on over here. This is the site of the old Kroger, so-called Beltline Kroger. Sometimes called Murder Kroger. See what they've done here? It looks like they poured a whole new retaining wall, which in essence is going to give them a lot more Beltline frontage, which is this land right here in front of me. Almost like when you fill in a bay or you fill in a body of water to create more land, waterfront land. That's exactly what we've done right here. You can see the old Caterpillar steam shovels doing their thing, digging out dirt, moving dirt. So this is going to be real interesting. Ford factory loft just got a big uptick in terms of their property value. I think this gateway is a great idea, and it's going to be a real plus for these folks, because otherwise they would have had to go through they can't go through the Kroger parking lot anymore. That was their only option. That right there is the Pond City Market. It's the so-called shed, which was the loading and unloading docks for the trains when they would pull into the Sears Roebuck and Company Distribution Center. So I'm doing a little recon for my East Side Trail walking tour and picnic that's coming up this Sunday. There's a lot to see, a lot of really cool stuff happening here. And the East Side Trail, just when you thought it was sleepy and you thought you knew everything, boom, they change everything. That's the nature of the Atlanta Beltline redevelopment project.